Welcome to Schema Builder within Salesforce. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Schema Builder. Let's set the stage by highlighting our key learning objectives for this session: knowing Schema Builder and auto layout. Create an object with Schema Builder. Create a field with a Schema Builder. The first step is to access Salesforce Setup. In the Setup menu, search for Schema Builder. Here you'll see an option called Schema Builder. Click on it to open the Schema Builder interface. Schema Builder provides a visual representation of your data model. You can easily create, modify, and delete objects and fields using a drag-and-drop interface. Inside Schema Builder, click the Auto Layout button located in the top left corner. Inside Schema Builder, locate the object palette on the left side. Here you'll find a list of standard and custom objects available in your Salesforce org. To create an object, simply drag and drop the object onto the canvas. Prompt will appear. Enter project as the object name and define any additional settings required. Click Save to create the project object. Inside Schema Builder, find the project object you created earlier. Click on the project object on the canvas. In the Object Details panel, look for the Fields tab. Drag and drop the date field onto the project canvas. Give the field label Start Date and click Save. Drag and drop the lookup field onto the project canvas. Give additional information and hit Save. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.